MULN stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And just looking at Mullen Automotive, the price is already melting, and it's been melting for such time. Context, I've done 35,000 videos, I've spent thousands on courses and mentors and documented everything. Generally looking at MULN, I'm like a big fan of just the bearish side, and I have been like a kind of the wizard on Mullen 2023, where I actually like every single day the price just kept melting and melting and melting and melting, and I had all these auto receipts here. Even like the things on the chart, it's not just these links, I do have a lot more way back in November, towards the end of November 2023. And yeah, it's like 1.5 years after, we're still quite bearish. I mean, I think that we're still going to undergo some splits and whatnot, reverse splits. But generally speaking, I want to see new lows get cleared out. In this case, I do think that it's kind of getting exhausted. Although, like, if it's giving me the rules, there's no need for me to not trade it, you know. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple, only way, click the first link in the description. It is a free newsletter. Goodbye.